Welcome back. Okay, let's move on to the 3-digit addition now. Let's do this example. 345 plus 678. Again, starting from the left, 3 plus 6 gives us 9. Can we put 9 down in the answer column? No, because if we look at the next column, you can see that the total is going to be above 10. So here, instead of putting 9 down, you put 10 down in the answer column. Now add the middle column. 4 plus 7 gives us 11. So 1 from 11, this 11 is already adjusted here. So we are left with this one. This one. So can we put 1 down in the answer column? Before putting 1 down in the answer column, look into the next column. Again, we can see that we are going to have a total above 10. So instead of putting 1 down, we put 2 down in the answer column. Now, coming to the last column, the rightmost column, 5 plus 8 gives us 13. So put 3 down in the answer column as 1 is already adjusted. So our final answer is 1023. Let's do 729 plus 927. Again, starting from the left, 7 plus 9 gives us 16. Before putting 16 down in the answer column, look into the next column, that is the middle column. And you can see that the total of the middle column is less than 10. So we can safely put down 16 here in the answer column. Now coming to the middle column, the total of middle column, that is 2 plus 2 gives us 4. But before putting down 4 in the answer column, look into the last column or the rightmost column. And you can see that the total is going to be above 10. So instead of putting 4 down in the answer column, we put down 5 here. Now add the last column. 9 plus 7 gives us 16. So 1 from the 16, this one is already adjusted here. So we are left with this 6. So write down 6 in the answer column. So our final answer is 1656. Okay, let's do this example now. 818 plus 991. 8 plus 9 gives us 17. Can we put 17 down in the answer column? No, because if you look into the next column, the total is 10. So you know that you're going to have the carry. So instead of putting 17 down here in this column, you put 18 down. Now add middle column. 1 plus 9 gives us 10. The 1 from the 10, this one is already adjusted here. So you are left with just 0. Can we put down 0 in the answer column now? Before putting down 0 in the answer column, look into the last column or the rightmost column. And you can see that the total is going to be below 10. So you can safely put down 0 here. And now add the last column or the rightmost column. 8 plus 1 gives us 9. So our final answer is 1809. Let's do this example. 6 plus 3 gives us 9. Again, before putting down 9 in the answer column, look into the middle column. You can see that the total is going to be above 10. So instead of putting 9 here, we put down 10 in the answer column. Now come to the middle column. Add 5 and 7. That gives us 12. The 1 from 12, that is this one, is already adjusted here. Now we are left with this 2. Now can we put 2 down in the answer column? Yes, because if we look into the last column or the rightmost column, you can see that the addition is below 10. So you can safely put down 2 here. Now add the last column. 6 plus 3 gives us 9. So our final answer is 1029. I hope you are getting the hang of it. With a little practice, you should be able to do left to right addition easily and quickly. Let's do a few more examples. Let's do this one now. 365 plus 937. This one is little tricky. Again, starting from the left, 3 plus 9 gives us 12. Can we put 12 down in the answer column? Before putting the 12 down, look into the next column, that is the middle column. The middle column addition, that is 6 plus 3, which is 9. But if you glance at the last column, the rightmost column, the addition, that is 5 plus 7 equals 12. The 1 from the 12 is carried over to the middle column. So 6 plus 3 plus the 1 that we carried over from the rightmost column makes it 10. So in the first column, instead of putting 12 down, we put 13 down. 6 plus 3, that is 9, plus the 1 from the last column makes it 10. 1 from the 10 is already gone to this 13. So you just put 0 down in the answer column. And now coming to this column's total, 5 plus 7 makes it 12. So 1 is already gone, so you are left with just 2. So our final answer is 1302. Okay, let me show this example one more time. Starting from this column, 3 plus 9 makes it 12. But before putting the 12 down, if you look into this column, the total is going to be below 10. So let's put the 12 down and see what happens. Now coming to this column, 6 plus 3 makes it 9. But if you look at the next column, the last column or the rightmost column, you know that you are going to have the carry, as the total is going to be above 10. So in this column, in the middle column, 6 plus 3 plus the 1 that is carried over from the right column. So 6 plus 3 plus 1 makes it 10. So you write 0 down here and you carry over 1. You can do this way too. Put the 0 here and carry over the 1. Or if you can anticipate that you are going to have the carry, so instead of just putting 12 down first, you put the 13 down. Or you can add this carryover, that makes it 13. Now coming to the last column or the rightmost column, 5 plus 7 gives us 12. So this one is already adjusted here. So you are left with 2. Write 2 down in the answer column. So our final answer is 1202. Okay, let's do this example now. 737 plus 373. Starting from the left again, 7 plus 3 gives us 10. Before putting 10 down in the answer column, look into the next column and you can see that the total is 10. So instead of putting 10 down here in the leftmost column, you put 11 down. Now add the middle column. 3 plus 7 makes it 10. So 1 from the 10, this 10 is already adjusted here. So you are left with 0. Now can you put this 0 down? Again, before putting the 0 down in the answer column, look into the next column, that is the last column or the rightmost column. And again you see that the total of the rightmost column or the last column is 10. So you cannot put this 0. But instead of 0, you put 1 down here. Now come to the last column. 7 plus 3 makes it 10. So 1 from the 10, that is this 10, is already adjusted here. So you are left with 0. So put this 0 down in the answer column. So our final answer is 1110. Okay, see you in the next lecture. Thank you.